Hello there, I'm Sean Greasley and welcome to another edition of our SQL tutorials. In this tutorial I'll be discussing outer joins within the SQL environment. Now, what is an outer join, you may ask? Well, when you link tables and display information generated from this linkage of the tables, you may or may not have noticed that null values don't display at all to the user. Because when we define our relationship, we're saying where our customer table dot ref number equals the cust.ac dot ref number, and if say one of these doesn't have an account in the system, then they will completely disappear from thin air. We don't know where they've come. In order to get around this, we introduce outer join to display all items, all employees, all everything, even if they have a null value within the primary key column header. So here is our employee table. Employee numbers, we have the names of the employees, we have the job, the number of their manager. So Smith's manager is 7902, which is Ford. Date they were hired, their salary, commission, debt number. Now, we also have another table called dept, which holds department information. And in order to make a link between the emp and the dept table, we specify the dept number as a link. Now, you may have noticed that King, being a president, he doesn't have an apartment because he's the president, but we may wish to display him in the results. So how can we go about this if he doesn't have a dept number? Well, let's have a look. So we want to select, say, the name of the employee and his debt number from emp and debt, where emp.dept number equals dept.dept number. So this is how we would do it normally. We're specifying a relationship between the other table, just displaying the name of the employee and the debt number of that employee. As you can see, to make usage out of this relationship, we can maybe display some information from the debt table. I just have to remind myself what's in this table. Start from debt. So this is the debt table. With the debt number, it links into the D name, which is the department name, and the location of the department. So you may wish to display D name as well. So this is our link here. Smith is department 20, therefore his department is research. As you can see, it correlates down nicely. Okay then. But, as you notice, King is not here because he doesn't have a department. How do we display King? Well, this is where the outer join comes in. If we add two parentheses with a plus in the middle, execute that, you'll notice King has all of a sudden appeared, even though he doesn't have a department, even though, therefore, he doesn't have a department name. Now this little symbol here is called the outer join. It enables you to display employees or data, anything in which they have a null value for the primary key relationship. That is what an outer join does. You specify this plus on the column header of your linking table. So we're saying where the emp number dot debt number is the debt.debt number. We're adding, if you'd like, this is how I remember it, we're adding null values support into the table which doesn't recognize null values. So that is the outer join. That is how to display null values for primary key column headers and display this information. So I've been Sean Greasley. Thank you for listening and goodbye.